So today we will be solving more practical illustrations on EOQ. So just everybody note down this question first, then we will start. The complete gardener is deciding on the economic order quantity. Okay, first everybody note down the question, then we will discuss it. For two brands of lawn fertilizers, Super Grow and Nature's the following information is collected. Grow and Nature's annual demand 2000 bags. 2000 bags and 1280 bags. Okay, relevant ordering cost per purchase order rupees 1200, rupees 1400. Annual relevant carrying cost per bag rupees 480, rupees 560. First, calculate the or compute the EOQ for Super Grow and Nature's Own. Okay. Then second, for the EOQ, compute the number of deliveries per year for super growth and nature's own. Okay. So this is the illustration. Here we have to calculate what? We have to calculate the economic order quantity first for the two products given, Supergrow and Nature's Own. Okay, so see, let us first read the question once, then we will understand how to solve the illustration. So, see, the complete gardener, this is the name of the company. It is deciding on the economic order quantity for the two brands. This company, Complete Gardener, is having two products, you can say. One is the Supergrow and Nature's Own. So they want to find out how much order they should place. Okay, every time when they will order, what is the optimum order size? That is the economic order quantity. Okay, at which their ordering cost as well as the carrying cost should be minimum. Okay, so details are given, annual demand is given, annual requirement is given, ordering cost is given, and carrying cost is given. So how we can calculate the EOQ? By using the formula, we can calculate the EOQ separately for Supergrow and Nature's Own. Okay, so how we will calculate? What is the formula for EOQ? Last class we have seen no? Formula for EOQ. Formula for EOQ is 2AO divided by C. So we can solve the illustration. Illustration. So first we will try to find out EOQ for Supergrow. EOQ for Supergrow. So what all we will require as the details? We will require the annual demand, which is the A. What is the annual demand? 2000 bags. Okay. Ordering cost per order, which is the O. Ordering cost per order is how much? Rupees 1200. Okay. Ordering cost, carrying cost, carrying cost per bag. Carrying cost per bag is how much? Per bag per annum 480. So what is the formula for EOQ? Formula for EOQ is square root 2A0 divided by C. So 2 into what is A? 2000, already given in the illustration, 2000. What is O? Ordering cost 1200. divided by what is carrying cost 480. So now you all can solve this using your calculator. Clear? Now you can solve this now. 2 into 2000 into 1200 divided by 480 square root. So what is the EOQ? 100 bags for super growth. What is the EOQ? 100 bags. Okay. Similarly, we can find the EOQ for nature's own product also. Nature's own. All the same details only you will take. Only amount will be changing. Numbers will be changing. Here A is how much for nature's bag? 1280 bags. Okay. Ordering cost is how much? Rupees 1400. Then carrying cost is how much? Annual carrying cost rupees 560. So this is the annual carrying cost. Okay, all these things we got from where? From the illustration only. See, all the things are given. Number of bag, annual demand, ordering cost, carrying cost. Now apply the formula, you will get the answer. Same formula only we will have to apply. EOQ is equal to EOQ for nature's grow will be square root 2A0 divided by C. Same formula, only numbers will be changing. So 2 into for super grow nature zone, what is the number of annual demand? 1280 number of bags. And what is the ordering cost? 1400 divided by what is the carrying cost? 560. So now you can solve this, you will get the EOQ for nature zone. 2 into 1200 into 1400 divided by 560 square root. So how much you are getting? 2 into 1280 into 1400 divided by 560 square root. How much you are getting as the EOQ? 80, no, 80 bags will be your EOQ. That is the order quantity or order size, you can say. 2 into 1280 into 1400 divided by 560. How much you are getting? 6400 you will get. Then you do the square root, you will get 80 bags as the EOQ. Meaning, whenever you will place order, you will place 80 bags. Every time when you will give the order, no, you should place 80 bags as the order. Similarly, for super group, you should place 100 bags as the order with the supplier. This is the meaning of EOQ. That is how, what should be your order quantity, what should be your order size whenever you will place the order with the supplier. Okay, whenever you will place the order with the supplier, you will have to place 100 bags for super grow and 80 bags for nature's own. So this will be your optimum order size at which your ordering cost and carrying cost will be minimum. Okay, so everybody note this illustration. See, second part of the illustration is interesting. What is asked in the second part, see, for EOQ, for the given EOQ, you should compute number of deliveries per year for super grow in nature zone. So you should tell how many deliveries will be required during a year for the super grow and nature zone. Anybody can tell. So apply your logic and tell how many deliveries will be required for the super grow and nature zone during the year. Means how many time you will have to place order with the supplier for that product. For the EOQ we have calculated. Very simple. Just you will have to apply your logic for that. Yes, anybody can put the answer in the message box. Okay. See, very simple. What is the annual demand for the super grow? 2000 bags are required, and every time we will place 100 bags. So, number of deliveries required will be simple. Number of deliveries required. Number of deliveries required will be what is you require 2000 bags and you will place 100 bags only. So, you will require 20 deliveries. No? So, 20 times you will have to place order during the year. How we have calculated? Annual demand divided by EOQ. Annual demand divided by EOQ. See, logic. 2000 bags you require, and in one order you will place only 1000 bags. So, how many times you will have to place the order? 20 times you will have to place the order. No? Okay. And similarly, here you require 1280 bags, and every time you will place only 80 bags as the order. So, what will be the number of orders required? 1280 divided by 80. So you will have to place 16 orders here. In this case, you will have to place 16 orders. Okay, 16 orders you will have to place. Okay, this is simple logic only. You will require annual demand 1280, and every time you will place only 80 bags. So how many times in a year you will have to place the order? 16 orders. So if you will place 16 orders, you will get 1280 bags. Similarly, 1280 bags of nature's own product. Similarly, here if you will place 20 orders, you will get 2000 bags of super grow. Clear? So here our answer will be 20 orders we will have to place, and here we will have to place 60 orders. Clear with this illustration? So today we will be stopping with this illustration only. In next class we will continue with some more illustration.